Welcome to AgiRex. In this video, we will explore a hypothetical scenario: what would happen if we tried to pour water on the sun. While this may seem like a fun experiment in theory, the reality is that it's not only impossible, but also extremely dangerous. The sun's extreme temperatures and radiation would vaporize any substance we could send towards it, including water. So, why even consider such a hypothetical scenario? By understanding the limitations of science and technology, we can gain a greater appreciation for the incredible forces of nature that surround us, and focus on more realistic and feasible experiments and explorations. So, let's dive into the science behind this mind-blowing experiment, and explore the potential consequences if we were to pour water on the sun. In reality, attempting to pour water on the sun would not be possible because of the extreme heat and radiation that would vaporize the water before it ever reached the sun's surface. Even if an astronaut were able to get close enough to the sun to attempt such a feat, they would not survive due to the intense heat and radiation. If we hypothetically made it possible to pour water onto the sun, it would be a futile and dangerous endeavor. The sun's surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to vaporize any substance that we could send towards it, including water. Additionally, the sun's intense gravitational pull would make it difficult for any astronaut or any object to get close enough to the sun's surface to deposit the water before being destroyed or vaporized almost instantly. Pouring water on the sun would not extinguish or ignite the star. The sun is a massive and extremely hot ball of gas, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius at its core. Pouring water on the sun would be like pouring a glass of water into a raging bonfire. The water would instantly vaporize and dissipate harmlessly into space. Additionally, the amount of water on Earth is minuscule compared to the size of the sun, so it would not have a significant impact on the star's overall mass or energy output. Furthermore, even if we were able to somehow deposit the water on the sun's surface, it would immediately vaporize and react with the sun's hydrogen gas, producing a massive explosion of steam and hydrogen. This would likely result in a significant solar flare, and could potentially cause disruptions in our telecommunications and power systems on Earth. Therefore, attempting to pour water on the sun is not only impractical, but also impossible due to the extreme conditions. It's important to understand the limitations of science and technology, and focus on more realistic and feasible experiments and explorations.